Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا يا حسرتنا على ما فرطنا فيها وهم يحملون أوزارهم على ظهورهم ألا ساء ما يزرون. Translation: those are indeed the losers who deny and not believe in appearing before Allah until when the hour comes upon them expectedly. And they cry, alas, woe for us that we neglected it. They will carry their burden of sins on their backs. Evil indeed are the burdens they bear. The biggest loser is the one who has denied meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the highest aim of a person, the biggest goal to achieve when he realizes that he has to stand in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then it makes many good changes in his life. But those unfortunate people who deny meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put themselves in the biggest loss, and they are the biggest losers. This loss is not like a worldly loss of some wealth which can be compensated, which can be turned around. The loss that these people would put themselves in can never be compensated and cannot be turned around when they denied meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because at that time their sins cannot be taken off their backs. In this world, if a person repents with sincere heart, the burden of the sins is taken off by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from his back. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Ghafurur Rahim. He is Tawwab. He forgets and He gives maghfirah to the person who is repenting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But when a person has been denying the day of judgment and standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and continues to do sins till the time of death, then there is no chance that these sins can be taken off his back, because at the time of death the door for repentance is closed forever. So when these people are resurrected and they realize what they have done, they will have extreme sadness and remorse on their actions, and they would realize that it cannot be reversed now, and they will carry the weight of all their sins. They thought that this world is everything, but the world will be gone forever in hereafter, and whatever they had earned in the worldly goods and worldly pleasures will be disappeared forever and will not help them any in the hereafter. So a wise person will make some changes in his life and will try to earn good deeds while he is alive in this world, so that those good deeds could be used in the day of judgment, where the only currency that will be functional will be the good deeds. And the wise person also keep repenting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and keep doing the istighfar. So whatever sins he has had done, those sins will be forgiven in this world with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us prepare for the hereafter and give us the vision of the hereafter so that we can prepare for hereafter. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.